this to this within minutes using this. Okay, watch. So first thing you want to do is wash the hair really good with the clarifying shampoo and something with some moisture or sleeking agents in it. I use BioSilk for silkening out curly hair. And then I use that brush straightener to really get it really flat before taking my Nano Babyliss flat iron in and silking it out a little bit further. Like, look at the shine. The main thing I love about this tool is that, one, it's 100% safe to use. I can never burn myself using it. I never burn my clients' hairs using it as well. Another thing is that it gives so much shine to the hair. There's an ion technology inside. This ion technology doubles with infrared lamps to release rich negative ions to help reduce split ends and knotting and actually repair the hair scales, which I think it does a fantastic job at. It gets to about 450 degrees, which with my clients is a because I mainly specialize in natural hair and textured hair. So I need to be able to straighten the hair without, for one, damaging the hair and adding too much heat, but also get the hair straight enough so that I can style it. As you can see, the hair is soft, the hair is shiny, and it's bouncy. And that's what I love when using YOUEL's Hair Straightener Brush. It's just 10 out of 10. Go pick it up in my Amazon storefront today. Also, I am using my wooden bamboo brush from Curlz Extensions, which also is a great addition to styling hair. Also, while we're here, let's talk about these extensions and this install. This is one of my tape-in installs using Curlz Extensions. And overall, it's just body, density, versatility. Everything all wrapped up in one. You can put the hair in high ponytails. You can wear the hair in different parts. It's just a very versatile install that allows you to still have flexibility and versatility with your hair. Like, let's get into it. This hair is from Curlz Extensions, which is a company that I sell in my shop. Or if you want to know how you can get Curlz Extensions, just ask your hairstylist to contact them, and they will be able to send you samples so that you can also get this hair from your hairstylist. Okay? All right.